SAT math can seem tricky, but when you see two equations together, don't stress. It's just a system of linear equations. Basically, a system of linear equations means two lines on a graph, and the solution is where those two lines meet. That meeting point gives us the same x and y that make both equations true. We can solve it in two main ways: substitution, where you plug one equation into the other; elimination, where you add or subtract to cancel out one of the variables. Let's break it down with a simple example. Let's start with a basic SAT question. We've got 5x equals 15 and negative 4x plus y equals negative 2. We'll solve the first equation for x. So 5x equals 15, divide both sides by 5, and we get x equals 3. Now we plug x equals 3 into the second equation. Negative 4 times 3 plus y equals negative 2. That becomes negative 12 plus y equals negative 2. Now to isolate y, add 12 to both sides. So y equals 10. Now they have asked find x plus y. That's 3 plus 10, which equals 13. So the value of x plus y is 13. The correct answer is option C. These type of question can appear in your SAT test. Alright, let's take a look at a more advanced question. A petting zoo sells two types of tickets. A standard ticket costs $5 and a premium ticket costs $12. On one Saturday, the petting zoo sold a total of 250 tickets and made $2,300 in total. Now, before we write the equations, let's understand where they come from. The question says the zoo sold two types of tickets, standard and premium. So, let's call the number of standard tickets S and the number of premium tickets P. The total number of tickets sold was 250. That means if we add the number of standard tickets and the number of premium tickets together, we get 250. That gives us our first equation. Now, we also know how much money each type of ticket costs. A standard ticket costs $5 and a premium ticket costs $12. So, the total amount of money made from all the tickets would be the price times the number sold. That means $5 times the number of standard tickets. That's 5S. Plus $12 times the number of premium tickets. That's 12P, equals the total amount of money they made, which is $2,300. That gives us our second equation. Now, from the first equation, let's solve for S. So S equals 250 minus P. Substitute S into the second equation. 5 times the quantity, 250 minus P plus 12, P equals 2,300. That simplifies to 1,250 minus 5P plus 12P equals 2,300. Now combine like terms. That gives us 7P equals 1,050. Divide both sides by 7. So, P equals 150. Now, plug P equals 150 back into the first equation to find S. So, S equals 250 minus 150. That gives us S equals 100. Therefore, they sold 100 standard tickets and 150 premium tickets. The correct system is option A. And that's how you tackle system of equation problems. One concept, two equations, and one common point where they meet. Keep practicing. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit subscribe for more SAT math tips and walkthroughs.